Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana, I call me, and welcome to my channel. New subscribers, welcome to my channel, all my faithful loyal family members. What I'm gonna be making for y'all today is some homemade barbecue baked beans. Barbecue baked beans, yeah, y'all. The barbecue baked beans, they got the meat off up in them, y'all. Them good old barbecue baked beans that you put on the side of that tater salad. You know what I'm talking about. So that's what I'm about to show y'all how to make. So I hope y'all is having a wonderful day, and I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. It's very simple and easy. Listen, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how to do this real quick. Like, it only take maybe about 4 ingredients. Well, let's say 5 counting the baked beans. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 7 ingredients, y'all. But you'll see what I'm talking about. It really ain't much, but they is very delicious, y'all. So first of all, I want to say, if you was new here, only thing I ask you to do is ring the doorbell every time that you come over here, so that I will know that you ain't trespassing over here at your sugar boo house, okay? Yes, that's what I call your sugar boo. Y'all my sugar boo, and I'm y'all sugar boo, okay? So also, I ask that you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button so that you'll become a member of my family, honey. I know you want to, okay? And don't forget to hit the notification bell and set it to all so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Y'all, let's get into this recipe so I can show y'all how to put together these good old barbecue baked beans. Alright, family. So the ingredients you're going to need is your ground beef. You're going to need an onion and a bell pepper if you would like. I like both of them, but I only have an onion today. You're going to need you some light or dark brown sugar. It don't matter. Barbecue sauce of your choice. Your the baked beans of your choice. You're going to need you some syrup. I like the butter syrup. And you're going to need you some mustard. And that's it, y'all. Just those few little ingredients. That is it. Alright, family. So now first thing first for the ground beef. The baked beans. You got to cook up this ground beef. And you want it minced down fine. You don't want no big old chunks in there unless that's just how you like it, okay? If you got sausage, add the sausage to it. I ain't never did it like that, but hey, try it and see. You might like it, you know? Alright, so we're going to break this down, but we definitely going to season this because you don't want no bland pieces of meat off in your baked beans. So you got to season your baked beans. Put you some garlic powder, onion powder, you know, some seasoning salt, something off of them baked beans, y'all, okay? Alright. So now I'm using my meat thing, and I'm just breaking down this hamburger meat. So, only thing I'm doing is browning this up, and then I'm going to pull the grease off of it, and then it'll be ready for our baked beans. So to get the baked beans started, what you need is the baked beans of your choice. And sometimes you have to dump you some juice off of it, y'all. But these right here, I can't because the juice is cold and whatever. So I just got to wait till they cook. And then pull some of the
hamburger meat in there.
Juice off of it. Listen, let me, this is my show. Let me do this, okay? So then you're going to take you an onion.
Nobody want no onions?
Baby.
You cooking it for me.
I know, this ain't just for you.
Grandma don't want no onions?
If you don't stop messing up my video, I ain't got that many minutes left.
Don't nobody want no onions.
Babe, you eat these baked beans with onions all the time.
I'm just saying, you said it for me.
You ain't never seen, no, I didn't say that.
Well, who it from?
Babe, this my baked beans, honey. I gotta do these right, because this the holiday baked beans.
Babe, okay, but you cooking it for me.
No, but this is for people that...
Who coming to eat it? Nobody but me.
But listen, you eat your baked beans like this all the time. So
babe, if I could choose to
I put half an onion in. How about that?
I don't want no onions. That's what I'm telling you.
Baby, the baked beans already got onions in them anyway from out the can.
I don't see them.
You ain't gonna see these.
That's the point.
You just know I'm putting them in there.
Sure. That's the whole point.
So put the baked beans in there, y'all. God dang.
Man, you okay? That's enough.
Y'all see why these videos? Who want onions? What's up, JC Music?
No, nobody want no onions, bro. Okay, babe, that's enough now.
Babe, this the last one. I gotta finish cutting the onion up. You know what? I'm gonna leave all that in there too. I sure am. I'm gonna let them laugh at you.
Damn, I'm fine and more.
Babe,
I'm buying them.
that little half a piece of onion, babe.
Shit. I'm telling you.
Alright, so then you're going to take your brown sugar and put how much you want. But this is about 2 heaping tablespoons. Let's just go ahead on and say 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And you need brown sugar and white sugar. So use about the same amount of white sugar.
Babe, look at my eyes.
3 or 2 tablespoons. About 2 tablespoons of the white sugar, because the white sugar gonna sweeten it on up.
Babe, you just giving me all this fat and shit.
Babe, do you say you want to be big? Then you say you want to gain weight. Now you need to pick a struggle. I'm sorry, boo. Hold on 1 second. Mine's be burning.
What the hell? Oh my Lord.
Then you add
don't nobody want no mustard.
Just a little mustard.
That's why I don't be in the kitchen.
You're gonna add you some barbecue sauce of your choice.
Why you put mine in there?
And then you're gonna add you some syrup, the butter flavor syrup. My eye itching, baby. I ain't want to scratch my eyelash off. Butter flavor syrup. I like the butter flavor, y'all. You can use whatever flavor syrup that you want to use, but I like the butter flavor. And that's it, y'all. Bell pepper too, if you got a bell pepper, like I said.
Who gonna want that?
Put you some bell pepper in there. Alright, so now we're just gonna get the beans here.
People don't eat all that, man.
Babe, people don't know. As long as it tastes good. What I tell y'all, as long as it tastes good, honey, sugar, boo, boo. That's all that matters, right? Okay. So now this is it for the baked beans, y'all. So only thing you're gonna do, you can take them and put them in your oven on 475 degrees. My oven is already set to that, so I'm not gonna change it because I got my ribs in the oven already. If y'all did not see the video of how I make my barbecue oven ribs, then y'all go over to my channel and please check that video out. Okay, so this is it for the baked beans. You could cover them up if you want to, but I don't cover mine. I just put it in the oven like this. I make sure everything is mixed in real good, and the way that I give it a taste, let me tell you something, with baked beans, y'all ain't gotta wait till stuff come together sometimes. Oh, hold up, I almost missed one ingredient, y'all. My child, didn't I tell y'all this was finna be some of the best baked beans y'all ever had? Okay, so as long as we got that established, all right, take you some cinnamon, y'all. Add you just a little cinnamon. Don't put too much, y'all. Just put you a little cinnamon in there, honey, and it gives it
like you put too much.
It gives it a whole different flavor when you add cinnamon to your baked beans.
You ain't gonna be able to taste it.
Okay, I know what it tastes like though. Okay, so now you're just gonna get them in the oven like this, and you're just gonna let them pretty much, basically, honestly and truly, if you let me see. If you buy baked beans can stay in the oven, I know, for a good old 35, 45, sometimes a whole damn hour, and they don't turn to a mush. You know what I'm saying? But since my oven is on 400 and something degrees, y'all,
let's go.
I'm going to put these in the oven on the top rack, uncovered, for about maybe like 25, 30 minutes. And that should be good for the baked beans. So to test to see what it tastes like, y'all, you got to taste the food to make sure it tastes good, because you want to taste good for everybody else. All right, so just stick your finger in there and get you a little taste. And you tasting for the sweetness, the barbecue sauce, whatever. So now I'm adding my seasoned ground beef. Like I told y'all, you do not want to add no plain ground beef to your baked beans, because you do not want to bite into no bland piece of meat. Okay, so go ahead on and mix this right here.
Okay.
On in with the baked beans, and then we're going to get this off in the oven for about 25, 30 minutes, and this is how I make my baked beans. So whenever I pour these out the oven, sugar boos, I will be back to show y'all what they look like.
Thank you. We have a good day. Y'all have a good day.
Alright, y'all. So this is what the beans look like after they is mixed up and everything, and now they is ready to go in the oven. Okay, family, so I have taken the baked beans out of the oven, and this is what they looking like. I'm about to stir them up so y'all can get a good look at what they looks like. And they is done, y'all. They is done. They nice and thickened. They not full of juice or nothing like that. But try these, y'all. Put these baked beans on y'all holiday table with the rest of your sides and food that you're gonna be cooking. And come back and let me know what your family think about my homemade baked beans, y'all. Okay? I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. Until next time. This is your girl, Tiana. I can only be me.